Namaste. I am Dr. Anitha, Assistant Professor, working in College of Veterinary Science, PV Narasimharao Telangana Veterinary University, Hyderabad. I want to express my gratitude towards Dr. Nagaraju Sir. He is very well versed in yoga, and we are very fortunate to attend his yoga classes as part of IGNU University Distance course, that is Certificate Program on Yoga. During the classes, we have learned many asanas in correct manner. Though I have been doing yoga before, I have learned many new things from Sir. The prerequisites for doing yoga and why we have to do yoga. Yoga is not just for body, it is for soul, and how many times we can do, and pranayamas, how to do them correctly, and how to practice pranayama, and what are the pranayamas we have to practice. Apart from this, many of the participants among us having some health issues, and Sir addressed every issue personally, and Sir guided every one of us how to imbibe yoga in our daily lives. I am very fortunate to acquaint of such very inspiring yoga teacher in my life, and I am very thankful to Sir because he is very honest and very humble, and we will not feel like attending classes at all. We will just practice. We enjoy his classes very much. We enjoyed very much, and we admired Sir very much, and I am very grateful to Sir that Sir has become the reason for my enhanced activity, yoga activity in my life. I am always indebted to Sir. Thank you, Sir. Thank you, Sir, for teaching yoga, and I recommend everyone to follow Pramanik Wellness, Hyderabad Yoga Center. Thank you.